Fire escape engineer summary inspection video. Inspector Tom Curran, 1435 Commonwealth Ave, Brighton. Side of the building. Original square bolt hardware. Square bolt hardware. Original square bolts. You can see the cement on the brackets and the braces. Original square bolt hardware. You can see the overlap. No hooks. Somebody had did some welding to them. Rail here, square bolt. Somebody put a new bolt in there. The corner, but only the corner. The floors here don't match because this is not sitting down. You can see the mortar issue there. Connection here is welded. Connection here is welded. You can see they've welded the bracket there. The railing is not bolted down like it's supposed to be. You can see all the stuff in the stairs. The stairs, the bad paint, and the build-up around the bolts. Some of them have hooks holding them on because they're bad, and some of them have welds. All square bolts on the outer edge, original hardware. The rails are all square bolt, original hardware, 50, 75 years old. Square bolts. Bracket here is all square bolts. You can see the rust in the connection, square bolt, 50, 75 year old, same as the railing. You can see the cement over there around that one. And as we come down, you can see all square bolts, and we did change one bolt there in the railing. Fingers are sitting here with welded on clips, welded there, the railing welded, bolted, undersized. Square bolts original, square bolts original. You can see the rail over there, square bolts. No hooks on the floors. Overlapping here where they've been welded, you can see the welds. You can see all square bolts on the side of the stringer, square bolts in the railings. Square new hex bolt there, all square. You can see all the rust in the connection there, the rust in the connection there. See all the rust in the connection here. Somebody put a new bolt in the rail there. Undersized, a couple bolts there, and it looks like a new piece of channel. You can see all the rust on the stairs, and all the stuff on the stairs. Some of the stairs have been repaired with hooks before. Square bolts on the braces. Square bolts on the railings, all original hardware, 50, 75 year old. The back of that stair has been broken for a while. They put a new hook on the inside to compensate for it. You can see, you cannot see a lot of the bolts they're holding these stairs on. Some have new bolts, some have hooks on them, holding the treads to the clips. Bent, not fitting properly. The stair there is missing part of the flat. It's been clipped there. Been put on with hooks, a couple of new bolts there. The bottom down here, they put a clip on it, bolting on the top of the grating. Undersized bolt. See all the rust in the connection there. You can see the rust in the connection there. And some of the others. Square bolts, original hardware. Original hardware, all 50, 75 year old hardware, square bolts. Square bolts. See all the rust in where it's been wedged and stuff there. See the rust there, all the rust in there in that connection. You can see the channel is You can see the treads, part of the bar is missing, same thing on that side. Somebody put a new stair in there. Clip's too short, so it's not supporting the back of the tread there. Same thing there, same thing there. It's not supporting the back of the tread. Bottom has been pieced. Bottom has been pieced. You can see a few of these stairs have been moved. You have some new bolts in it, still a lot of square bolts. Tread is welded on, welded on, welded on, welded on, welded on, welded on. You can see all the rust of the gusset plate up there.